Wait a minute. He gonna be a papa? Today, we're checking out the new episode of Reincarnated as a Slime. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and you'll find even more over on Patreon. He still has a faint glimmer of hope left? Oh, bro's about to go off. He's going on the offensive. I think he's just gonna not give a fuck about consequences and just go straight revenge. And I think he's just gonna kind of be a little more chaotic now and try and just defeat his ops. I will say, if Grandpa was over here like, oh, I care so much about my granddaughter, oh, but then sent her out to go do this shit. But you should have fucking had some foresight there, dog. That's on you. Yeah, he's super important to the council. Interesting, same intro. I think they'll do a new intro next. Or maybe they'll keep the intro all the way through. I don't know. Good point. It's a new volume now. A new stage. Ooh. A constitutional state. Oh, shit. Interesting. He's changing the government here. I'm also punished. I like it. That means there's accountability. Accountability for your actions. And nobody is above this law. That's good. I like that way more than like people being above the law. Fuck being above the law. I refuse. Separation of powers, checks and balances. Okay. America. He's turning this bitch into America. God bless. What the hell? Really? Really? Interesting. That's a bad thing. Courthouse for the judicial. Okay. You did a bad thing, so you're guilty, understand? I mean, that's... Yeah. So they gotta be smart and strong. Someone who can bring the council together in my place. Oh. As an arbitrator, they need to have smarts and social skills. Or Diablo. I'm just saying, I think Shuna, I put a lot of respect on Shuna. I think she's very capable. The fuck is going on here? Aw, she got her little egg with her. What the hell was that? Oh, I was literally gonna say it's a blacksmith stuff. Yeah, of course. Damn. And depending on the combination, it henshins into a different version. Oh, that's sick. That's interesting. Whoa. Legend grade power. Whoa. Wind, fire, water. Earth, water, fire. Wind, earth, earth. Water, wind, fire. Something, water, water. Fire, wind, wind. Fire, earth, wind. Earth, fire. Damn, that's crazy. These combos. Oh, earth, water, and earth, wind are just nasty on their own. Oh, we can't see what the other ones are on the outside. Oh, okay. The fuck is that? He got an RGB sword. Dang, dude. Imagine having an RGB sword, bro. Immutable metal? Immutable. It's beyond legend grade. Yeah, I knew it. Mythical god grade weapon? Of course his katana is god grade. Of course his RGB katana is a god grade weapon. Wasn't that Luminous's sword? This red one is Luminous's sword? She pulled it on Veldora. Yeah. No, I remember that. Train station's coming along. Animal Kingdom of Eurazania. Oh shit, and this is theirs? Oh, interesting. Listening to their grievances. Damn. Yeah, I'm saying, how many other people would have been able to really like have a heart-to-heart with them? You know what I mean? Oh, that's so good. I like that, dude. I like that our boy's just checking up on everything. How beautiful. I feel that. So much responsibility. You don't want that shit, man. Expecting? Wait a minute. He gonna be a papa? They got a kid on the way? Oh my god. What the fuck? That's crazy. Oh, damn. Damn. Wrecked. It's probably not as big of a deal as she's making it seem. Is this the train? Holy shit. They made the train? The train's made? Whoa. Wow. They've kept it under wraps. The magic train's elemental core serves as its power source. They've been sneaky. Thanks to my elemental colossus. Oh, shit. Oh, so powering that, they use the same concept to power the train. Damn. Wow, dude. Okay. Veldora's like, I need my praise. Give me my praise. Dude, it's literally a train inside there. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. Ah, so a mistake in the past led them to find a correction so that way they could make this thing the way that they made it. Dude, I love that there's such like a deep team working on all of these elements of this like science project. Magic science sort of like combo magic science project. Like that's how actual like new technologies and things are dealt with. Like there's like a massive team working on so many different aspects of it. And I love that shit. I love that they actually have like such a large team working on this. Because this is genuinely like brand new technology for this world. Magical technology. Magic engineering. Sure, whatever. Vampire Overcomers. Everyone in this show's unique, brother. You should have known that by now. Come on, Rimuru. Dang. Dang, the train has already been made. That's crazy. All the best and brightest coming together. Dang, I got the train whistle and everything, dude. I agree. Cool. Wow, I can't believe that. They actually made the fucking train, dude. And of course, we had to cut out the music from this reaction on YouTube, sorry. Look at everybody here, dude. I like these big celebration moments, dude. It's hatching. So on top of the train, now we also have the egg hatching? Some cloth. Aw, Milim's baby. Kind of. Dude, look at this little guy. Aww. Aww. A beautiful episode, dude. Just a beautiful episode. Next time, new companions. Now, I don't know if next episode will be the next one or if we're going to have a little in-betweener. I don't know. You guys keep on saying that there's no in-between episode. I mean, I'm kind of hoping there is because I don't think I'm going to be here next week. If I don't think, I mean, I'm not. I'll make a video on it so I can clickbait some views. But yeah, I'm not. I don't know. We'll see. Listen, good, man. I really like this. I really like this episode because we check back in with Granville. Granville wants his revenge, right? And then we're establishing new government, checks and balances. We are checking in with all of the building that's going on. We are building shit all over. Truly. All over, dude. We're building shit all over the place. So I like that we're checking in with all that. I also like that the train's completed. That's awesome. I also like that we have this, you know, Milim's dragon hatches. I love that. Like, this was such a nice, like, this was a very chill episode, but it was also checking in on a lot of stuff because there's a lot of things going on right now in the world, right? Because of Tempest and what Tempest has been doing, the growth of Tempest and the role that it plays among every nation and stuff, right? It's pretty huge. So it's really interesting to see how all of that is continuing to develop. And I just really enjoy this episode, even though it's not like a crazy, like, oh my God, action's insane. No, I really enjoy episodes like this just as much. So with that said, what did you guys think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. Though, don't just leave a comment. Also like the video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, make sure you all keep it fresh. Peace.